So, engineered by Jean-François Maujon, designed, and all the decoration was actually developed by Kari Voutilainen. Honestly, in 22 years of creating watchmaking, this is the most beautiful movement I've ever worked on. And I've never said it before, so it really is. And Kari and Jean-François have done an incredible work on the design, the finish, everything. So the inspiration, Philippe Dufour's Duality, which came out in '96. The whole idea is to take the same engineering idea and to transfer it to the first ever double flying balance wheel with a central differential, which is going to actually average out the rate of each balance wheel. How does it, actually the differential is one of the most important parts of this movement. It's a mechanical calculator. What it does, the barrel will send the energy to the differential, which will then split the energy to each balance wheel, sending 50% of each. Each balance wheel is going to, and its escapement, of course, you can see the two escapements, is going to have its own rate. Maybe one is at +4 seconds, the other one is at -2 seconds. They will then send that information back to the differential, which mechanically is going to average it out and send the information to the hours and minutes. So +4 -2 would be +1. All that with planetary gears. The engineering, the manufacturing, the regulating is more complicated than a tourbillon. Easy. And you've got this incredible ballet of two completely non-synchronized balance wheels, because we definitely don't want them in resonance. We actually did tests where the balance wheels are closer and start entering into resonance and everything goes haywire. Why? Because they're already linked through the differential. So you're entering a second loop into a loop and the whole system goes wild. So at this point, two very different balance wheels at their own rate do their own rate, and they're averaged out by the differential. Interestingly enough, extremely difficult to regulate. First of all, because there's no machine today which can actually regulate it. The Vici machines, which can actually measure the amplitude and rate of a balance wheel, use a microphone system. So when you put it on here, it's as if you're putting your stethoscope on somebody who's not got one heart, but has got two of them beating at different heartbeats. The doctor goes crazy. So the Vici machine goes nuts. So how does the watchmaker regulate it? He actually blocks one balance wheel, regulates the other whole gear train, then blocks the first one and regulates the second gear train, and then lets both go. But of course then the differential kicks in and you've got a different result. So how did we work? We worked for 3-4 months testing on all the prototypes to try and find the ideal amplitude of each separately. When you let them both go, what works best? And what's absolutely amazing is that in an age of robotics and computers, we've actually created a piece where no machine can regulate it, no machine can measure it, and we're back to the 19th century where the watchmaker was using his talent as his guts to regulate the movement. And I think in 2013, that's extraordinary that we managed to do that.